This is my 2003 Camry XLE, and what I'm going to do today is replace the cabin air filter. And this is one that I got on Amazon. And it was a reasonable price, had a lot of good comments on it, so we'll try that. And the air filter is behind the glove box here. So what I did was, I already emptied out the glove box, because if I didn't do that, everything would just fall out. So I think to get this off, I just need to take this screw out right here. And so let me try that. Let me start off by just taking this out. And that's easy to do. Okay. All right. Alrighty. Just a short little screw. Nothing fancy. So we'll push this back. And does it come out? I think you have to take and kind of press the sides. You press these in a little bit. Whoa! The whole thing falls out. That's good. Okay, nice. All right, so, and back up in here is the filter. So let me reposition this camera a little bit. So I'm looking in here, and this is where the filter is. So I'm just gonna, you take these two tabs. I think you just kind of push them in. I'm not sure. Yeah, you just push them a little bit in, and out comes the filter. Oh my gosh, my filter is pretty dirty. It's black, and it's got all kinds of little oh my gosh, bits of leaf and everything else in there. Okay, so now I just back the camera up a little bit so you can see this easier. It is really dirty. You can see there's a lot of little leaves and pieces of, you know, bits of tree and stuff in there. So let me get this out. So to pull it out, let's see what we got to do. I think you just take it and move it around these tabs to get it out. Like this. Okay. And it's out. And let me see. Let me make sure I got it. The airflow goes this way. All right. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that there, but there's an airflow. It goes this way, which basically is in, because it's coming from outside the car going in. All right. So I don't know when I replaced this last, but this was an STP filter. All right. Okay, so let me get the new one. Okay, airflow. Oh, that's interesting. It's I think this is the one that's got the enhanced performance. Replacement for the Toyota genuine part. Recommend replacement every 12 months or 12,000 miles. I don't remember when I replaced this last. Let me open this up. All right, so hang on. Okay. There we go. Airflow goes down this way. Made in China. All right. And what I'm going to do, let's just make sure it's the same. Yes, sirree, Bob. It is. It's the exact same one. Okay, so let's put this in. Airflow goes down. So we'll just put this in like this. And put this in. I'm just going to snap right in. Goes underneath the little hooks right there. Fits snug as a bug. Snug as a bug in a rug. Okay. So what you got to remember is, here's the up arrow right there. So you just got to put it back in the slot, because, you know, here's the slot right there. Just pull the wire down a little bit if it's in your way. Just put it back in, and it will kind of like snap right into place. There you go. So you're just like snapped right into place. So that's good. Nice. So our next step is to take the glove box here, and you know, you have these little things right here, and they fit right into the little spaces right there. So we're just gonna put those on just like this. Nice. You bring it up, and these little hooks right here are just gonna, you know, they're kind of like beveled a little bit, got an angle, so they're gonna just snap right in. So it's gonna hold just perfectly. And what you need to do next, get the screw, take this thingy and put it right over there. Put the screw in and tighten it up. My fingers are a little too big, but there we go. And get a screwdriver. It's just a Phillips head screwdriver. Tighten it up a little bit. There you go. It's all done. Okay. I like it. It's perfect. So, we've got the new one in. Let's take a look at this old one again. It was really dirty. I don't know why it's taking me so long. Look at all that stuff in here, man. It's just like craziness. How is this thing even breathing? Okay. We're good. Hey, thanks for watching. Oh my gosh. Don't, if you do that, don't, I would suggest not to shake this out inside the car. Okay. All right. Have a great day. Hope everybody has a blessed rest of the day.